Good evening friends, this is Gayathri Sarun. So in this video we will have a look about daily current affairs for the date of 20th and 21st of January 2022. Okay. Let's get started. So first we will start off with obituaries, and Mr. M.K. Prasad has passed away, and the profession for Mr. M.K. Prasad is he is an environmentalist and Save Silent Valley campaigner. There is a campaign happened which the name is called Save Silent Valley, and the campaigner for this valley is Mr. M.K. Prasad. He represented the campaign and he is also a environmentalist. Okay, he born in Vaipin, which is in Kerala. Okay, he also had led the powerful science monument Kerala. uh, the monument, popular science monument name is Kerala Shastra Sahitya Parishad. Okay, he led the science monument. Okay, and he is a professor also. And Mr. Prasad, who served as a professor vice chancellor of Calicut University, was in the forefront of environmental protection activities in the state. And this Calicut University is mostly involved in environmental protection activities, and he served as a professor as well as vice chancellor in this university. Okay, so next news is Mr. Ranganathan has passed away, and his profession is he is a former Supreme Court judge. Okay, he born in Chennai, and he is the first chairman of authority for advance ruling. And he had a illness, and he died because of that brief illness. Okay, and he became the judge of Delhi High Court in 1977, and he became Supreme Court judge in 1987, and he got retired from the service in the year of 1992. And post retirement he is one of the member of Law Commission of India, and then he was in that position till 1997, and you can refer the images of the person in the right hand side of the presentation. Okay, and next one is Vikram that has been appointed as a chairman and MD of Air India, and he replaces Mr. Rajiv Bansal. Okay, and the profession of Mr. Vikram that is he's a senior IAS officer, and we will have a glimpse about background of this current affairs. Okay, appointment comes at the time when the national career has been taken over by Tata Group. Okay, the Air India has been taken by Tata Group, and the appointment for Vikram Devde, which has been happened after the takeover of Air India by Tata Group. Okay, the statistics from this single liner is the chief managing director for Air India is Vikram Devdutt, and it was established in 1932, and the headquarters is in New Delhi. And next is Dilip Sanghi has been appointed as a chairman of IFCO. Okay, and he replaces Balwinder Singh Nakai. The person who was before the chairman of IFCO is Balwinder Singh Nakai, and the profession of Mr. Dilip Sanghi is since 2019 Sanghi has served as a vice chairman in IFCO. Okay, and the background, we will have a background of this position, and he is a 17th chairman of IFFCO. And the statistics from this single liner is IFFCO abbreviation is Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative, and the headquarters is in Delhi, and it was established in 1967. Okay, and next one is Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey has been appointed as the next Army Vice Chief, and he replaces CP Mohanty. And the profession for Mr. Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey is he is the Director General of Army Headquarters, and who is dealing with the discipline, ceremonial and welfare department. Okay, and we'll see the background of this appointment. Government approved the proposal for appointment of Eastern Army Commander General Pandey as the next Vice Chief of Army Staff. The government has been approved to appoint him as a next Army Vice Chief, so he has been appointed as a same. Okay, the statistics from this single liner is the Indian Army was established in 1895, and the headquarters is in New Delhi. Okay, and next is MEAT-Y initiated digital government mission to speed up citizen services delivery. So first we will see the background of this one-liner. there is a e-governance was established, like making all the public governing activities online. Okay, as a next phase, as one of the phase for e-governance, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, which is shortly called as MeitY, initiated a new project called Digital Government Mission to speed up the Indian service, speed up citizen services delivery through the help of advanced technology. They are using the advanced technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, and what's the motto behind this? They are making all the services which is related to the citizen service delivery online with the help of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. And for this they have established a mission called Digital Government Mission. Okay, the motto for this Digital Government Mission is offer government services to citizens without them having to apply or wait for it. Nowadays we are waiting for whenever we apply some details like public services or government services in online, we need to wait for apply in online, and we need to wait for it. To avoid this time delay in these things, government has initiated this Digital Government Mission. Okay, and government, we will see a glimpse about e-governance. I already said, no, as a part of e-governance, this Digital Government Mission has been invented. So we will see a glimpse about government e-governance. Okay, government launched National E-Governance Mission over 15 years ago, when passports, land records, certificates got digitalized. Before and all, we used to go to, like, whenever we are applying for passport and we need to get any certificate, birth certificate, death certificate, anything, we need to visit the government office directly, concerned government office directly, and then we need to get the job done. But nowadays everything is going online. Applying for the passport is online, fixing the appointment is online. Only one thing you need to do is you have to visit the passport office directly for a document verification and a personal verification. Once it's done, the passport will be sent to your concerned address via courier. And same applies for land records, birth certificate, death certificate. You can able to get it online. Okay, everything is digitalized. So as a, it was this is a part of e-governance, making all the government workings online. Okay, this is a part of e-governance, and it was invented before 15 years ago. This Digital Government Mission is one of the part of e-governance. Okay, in 2020 the government released a discussion paper on policy called National Open Digital Ecosystem for replicating the success in citizen delivery as well. So as a result of the success in e-governance, in 2022, the Government of India has submitted a paper, discussion paper, for the invention of National Open Digital Ecosystem Policy for replicating the same success which was happened in e-governance, like passports, land records, certificates, everything is online, no? For replicating the same success in citizens delivery as well. As a result of which, we have got the Digital Government Mission. Okay. And next news is BharatiBacked OneWeb, Hughes Inc. 6-year distribution pack for satellite broadband in India. So we will have a look about this news. Bharati Group backed OneWeb, the low Earth orbit satellites communication company, and Hughes Communication India Private Limited have inked a 6-year distribution pack to provide a broadband from space connectivity service across India. So this is nothing but Bharati Group has joined hand with Hughes for OneWeb. OneWeb is nothing but a low Earth orbit satellite. The main motto of this Inc. is to provide broadband from space connectivity services across India. Okay, so we'll have a glimpse about what is OneWeb. OneWeb is expected to start satellite broadband services in India from middle of 2020 and will connect towns, villages, local areas and regional municipalities in the hardest to reach areas. Okay, the statistics from this is OneWeb CEO is Neil Masterson, and it was established in 2012 and the headquarters is in London, which is in UK. Okay, next one is Hughes India statistics. The president is Partho Banerjee and the headquarters is in Gurgaon. Okay, next one is IFSCA Inc. deal with Insurance Institute of India. IFSCA as well as Insurance Institute of India both signed a pact, and the purpose of this is to improve the capacity building in insurance sector. Okay, so as per the agreement, the Insurance Institute of India would undertake a study to make the changes in academic curriculum in meeting the current needs of the insurance industry, participants in IFSCA with the view to introduce certificate courses and professional examinations. What they're trying to tell is Indian Institute of India will make changes in curriculum, academic curriculum, which was already there in IFSCA, and they will introduce new certification courses and professional examinations to improve the capacity building in insurance sector. Okay, so the statistics from this news is the Insurance Institute of India president is Devesh Srivatsava, and the headquarters is in Mumbai, and it was established in 1955. And for IFSCA, the vice chancellor is Injeti Srinivas, and the headquarters is in Gujarat, and it was established in 2020. Okay, next, NIF Incubation Council tie-ups with Amazon India. So NIF as well as Amazon India had tied up to, just a second, signed a MOU for online distribution, they plan to distribute the grassroots innovations, student innovation, and outstanding traditional knowledge based products in online. So the National Innovation Foundation Incubation as well as Amazon had tied a pact to achieve this process. Okay, the memory of understanding will make the innovation from rural part of India available universally. So actually they are planned to focus on rural areas to achieve this process first. Through this MOU, capacity building of grassroots innovators by engaging industry and subject matter expert will be ensured. So they are planning to distribute the grassroots innovations, student innovations, and outstanding traditional knowledge based products in online. So NIF as well as Amazon has tied up, and they have projected to do this first in the rural areas of India. Okay, the statistics from this one-liner is Amazon MD is Amit Agarwal, and it was established in 2013, and the headquarters is in Hyderabad. For National Innovation Foundation, the chairman is Dr. P.S. Goyal, and the headquarters is in Ahmedabad, and it was established in 2000. Okay, Dubai Silicon Oasis collaborates with Indian Innovation Hub. The main motto behind this collaboration is to promote the startups in both the regions. Okay, both in India as well as in Dubai. The project provides a platform to promote startup and innovation of India by providing the exposure to the global investor community through B2B events and activities like Elevate pitching sessions. So from the single liner, if you know, Dubai Silicon Oasis collaborates with Indian Innovation Hub to promote the startups in the in both the regions. Okay, this is enough for the single liner, and the statistics to be noted from here is for Dubai Silicon Oasis, the CEO is Mohammad Ali Zarouni, and the headquarters is in Dubai, UAE, and was established in 2004. Okay, next, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, signed a contract with Government of Mauritius, and the purpose for this contract is for export of one more advanced light helicopter. So government of Mauritius has raised a purchase order for one more advanced light helicopter to Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. Okay, this helicopter is required for Mauritius Police Force, and HAL will supply the Mark 3 version of advanced light helicopter to Mauritius. Okay, so the statistic behind this is Hindustan Aeronautical Limited CEO is Sajal Prakash, and the headquarters is in Bangalore, and it was established in 1940. And for Mauritius, the capital is in Port Blair, and the currency is Mauritian rupees, and the president is Prithviraj Singh Rupun. Okay, and next is MSDE signs Memorandum of Understanding with IGNOU, and the purpose of this MOU is to link vocational education and training with higher education, making India's youth employable. So they are planning to link the occasional education as well as training with the higher education itself. Okay, so the expansion of MSD is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and IGNOU is Indira Gandhi National Open University, and the MOU is for the duration of 10 years, and the statistics from this is MSD Minister is Dharmendra Pradhan, and the constitution is Diogar, which is in Odisha. For IGNOU, the Vice Chancellor is Nageshwar Rao and the headquarters is in New Delhi and it was established in 1985. Okay. Next one is India successfully test fires Brahmos supersonic cruise missile. Okay. So we already had a brief detail about Brahmos missile in previous day current affairs. So the main motors, they are Brahmos supervision cruise missile has been test fired by India and it was successful. And the Brahmos is where they have test fired is in Brahmos Aerospace, and the Brahmos Aerospace is a joint venture between DRDO and NPO, which is in Russia. Okay, and the statistic for this is DRDO headquarters is in New Delhi and it was established in 1958 and the chairman is D Satish Reddy. And the statistic for Brahmos Aerospace is it was established in 1998 and the headquarters is in New Delhi and the CEO is Atul Dinkarani. Okay. Next one is first BRICS Sherpas Meeting 2022 has been inaugurated virtually. Okay. It has been inaugurated virtually on January 18 and 19th of 2022 with the members. Already the BRICS for 2021 has been chaired by India. So this Sherpas meeting has been initiated to thank India for its contribution in BRICS 2021. Okay, this time the China will host this summit for 2022. And in BRICS, there are 5 major emerging countries, which is nothing but Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. And the theme for this BRICS Sherpas meeting is faster high quality BRICS partnership user in new era for golden development. Okay. And next one is Borak Day Festival in Tripura. The Borak Day Festival has been celebrated in Tripura and which is nothing but they are celebrating the native language, Tripura Language Day. It was also called as Tripura Language Day and it was celebrated in Indian state of Tripura for the development of their particular language. And the meaning for this language is Kok, which is nothing but language, and Borak, which is nothing but people. So the Borak Day Festival is nothing but people language. It was observed on January 19th every year, and it is one of the Borak language is one of the ancient language of Northeast India. Okay, the statistics from this single liner is the capital is Agartala and the CM is Biplab Kumar Dev and the government of the governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Okay. And the next thing we are going to see is RBI announces digital payment index for the month of September 2021. And as per Reserve Bank of India, the digital payment index has been rose by 39.6% from 39.64% to 304.06% in September 2021, which is against 217.74 in the previous year. Okay, and the statistics from this is Reserve Bank of India headquarters is in Mumbai and the governor is Shaktikant Das. He is the 25th governor and it was established in 1935. So next, India replaces sinking Jakarta with the new capital Nusantara. So for Indonesia Parliament, the previous capital was Jakarta. Okay, because of some reasons they have shifted, they have passed a law to relocate the capital from Jakarta to Nusantara. Okay, and here they have mentioned Indonesia Parliament has passed a bill to relocate the country capital from Jakarta to Nusantara. Okay, they have mentioned that this is the most significant advancement of an idea the country's leader have been toying for years. Actually, they are planned to move the capital from Jakarta to Nusantara for many years. Now only they have passed a bill and it got approved. Now the capital for Indonesia will be Nusantara. Okay, the statistics from this is Indonesia currency is Indonesian rupiah and the president is Joko Widodo. Okay. Next, India Sri Lanka extends science and technical cooperation for next 3 years. Already I have said no. Sri Lanka has been facing a serious crisis for the lack of US dollars for getting the food and essentials. So already India have given a particular amount of loan to them through RBI. Apart from this, India have extended the science and technology cooperation for next 3 years to Sri Lanka. Okay, so the main aim for this is with a focus on new areas such as wastewater technologies, biotechnologies, sustainable agriculture, aerospace engineering, robotics, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, as well as industrial collaboration. To improve these areas, India have extended the science and technology cooperation with Sri Lanka for next 3 years. Okay, this will provide an opportunity for discussing various other facets which are possible for collaboration in the domain of SNT. Okay, so Sri Lanka. So this extension of science and technical cooperation will extend an opportunity to find out the collaboration in various sectors which I have mentioned earlier. And the statistics from the single liner is the Sri Lankan capital is Colombo and the currency is Sri Lankan rupee and the president is Gotabaya Rajapakse. Okay, and India rating now, many of the organization, as I already said, many of the organization will suggest their GDP growth of India for this financial year and next financial year. One of the rating agencies, India Rating and Research, they have projected the GDP growth rate of India as 7.6 for the financial year 2022 to 23. Okay, and the statistics from here is India Rating and Research Institute CMG's chairman and managing director is Rohit Karan Savne and the headquarters is in Mumbai. Next, Sania Mirza to be retired after 2022 seasons. Already we know that Sania Mirza is a famous Indian tennis player and she is 35 years old and she already bowed out of singles. She already came out of the single competition from 2013. She had already won 6 Grand Slam titles in women's doubles and mixed doubles in her name. Okay, so she is a holder of 6 Grand Slams and she is planning to retire after 2022 seasons. Okay. Then Microsoft to acquire video gaming company Activision Blizzard. So Microsoft, already we know that no, they are planning to acquire a company called Activision Blizzard, which is a video gaming company. Okay, for this acquisition process, Microsoft has done a cash transaction of $68.7 billion, which is nothing but $95 per share. Okay, they have paid this amount and acquired this video gaming company Activision Blizzard. Okay, this acquisition will boost the competitiveness of Microsoft in the mobile gaming business and virtual reality technology across mobile, PC, console and cloud, and will provide building blocks for the metaverse. So why they have acquired this video gaming company is they are planning to boost the competition of video game. Like in mobile gaming, Microsoft want to improve their competitiveness, so they have acquired this video gaming company Activision Blizzard. Okay, the statistics from this is Microsoft CEO is Satya Nadella and it was established in 1975 and the headquarters is in Redmond, Washington, which is in US. Okay, and next thing is PM Modi to host India Central Asia Summit. So India Central Asia Summit is planning to held on 27th of January 2022 and our PM Modi is going to host this summit virtually as a part of countries' engagement with the neighboring countries. Okay, the participants of this India Central Asia Summit is President of Kazakhstan and many Tajikistan and Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan will participate in this virtual summit. So totally, including India, there will be 6 countries participating in this summit. Okay, the motto for this summit is they are planning to discuss the steps to improve the India Central Asia relationships and they're planning to exchange their views on regional and international users. Okay, and this is the first engagement in which India and Central Asia countries summit which has been happening in the leaders level. Okay, And next is Genesis Prize 2022, and there is a prize announced called Genesis Prize, which for the year of 2022, and it was won by Albert Bourla. He is a chairman and CEO of Pfizer. Okay, a reason for this prize, like background behind this prize is for his leadership and determination, and for the willingness to take risk in the developing a corona vaccine. He have developed a corona vaccine. For that thing, they have given a prize to Mr. Alberto Borla, which is who is a chairman and CEO of Pfizer. Okay, the prize was we will see a background of this prize. The prize was founded in 2022, and it has been referred to as Jewish Nobel Prize. Okay, and the prize amount is 1 million, which is nothing but 10 lakhs. And the statistics from this here is the chairman for Genesis Prizes, Stan Polowitz, and the headquarters is in Israel. Okay. Next one is Federal Bank inquires. Federal Bank acquires wealth launch exclusive USD fixed maturity fund. Federal Bank in association with Equirus Wealth, which is an organization, they have associated and they have launched US dollar offshore fund exclusively for their customer. Okay, in this US dollar offshore fund, both NRIs as well as resident customers of Federal Bank will be able to invest in this fund. Okay, so this much we can able to know about this one-liner, that is enough. And the statistics from this news is Federal Bank headquarters is in Aluva, which is nothing but Kerala, and MD and CEO is Shyam Srinivasan, and was established in 1931. For an Equirus Wealth, the headquarters is in Mumbai, and the head is Rahul Rai Chaudhary, and it was established in 2018. Okay. Next one is Sebi launches Sarthi mobile app for investor education and awareness. And Sebi has launched an app called Sarthi for I already said, no, SEBI is a regulatory body for stock exchange money market, and they have launched a mobile app called Sarthi, which aims to empower investor with accurate knowledge about the security market. If you want to know about anything about the security market, you can download Sarthi mobile app so that you can acquire and empower yourself with the required knowledge about security market. Okay. The app will cater largely to the individual investor who have recently entered the market and carry out trading via their cell phones. So many people would have downloaded the ICICI Direct, and they have invested some amount in stock market. This app is particularly aimed for the individual investor who has recently joined the market and plan to do the trading via cell phone. They can able to download this app and know more about the security market. The app is currently available in Hindi as well as English, and it was available in Android as well as iOS version. Okay, and we will see a static about SEBI, and it was established in 12th of April 1992, and the headquarters is in Mumbai, and the chairman is Ajay Tyagi. Okay, next one is India Denmark agree to initiate joint research on green fuels. So India as well as Denmark has agreed a pact to carry a research on biofuels. Okay, so green green fuels or biofuels, both are same. So they are planned to do a joint research and development on green fuels, which include green hydrogen. Okay, so we can able to how they are planning to do the research is they are planning to organize 3 to 4 webinars for partnership development, and stressed on promoting calls for proposals in green fuel including green hydrogen. Okay, the statistics from here is Denmark capital is Copenhagen, and the currency is Danish krone, and the PM is Mette Frederiksen. Okay, next is India offers 500 million USD LOC to Sri Lanka for purchase of petroleum product. Already I have said, no, for Sri Lanka they have offered India offered some loans via RBI, and one more thing, they have extended the science and technical assistance for next 3 years, and third thing is they have offered 500 million letter of credit to Sri Lanka to purchase the petroleum products. Okay, and the static one-liner is this Sri Lankan capital is Colombo, and the currency is Sri Lankan rupee, and the president is Rajapakse. Okay, then Union government approved infusion of 1,500 crore in IREDA, and the aim is to the union government has approved to infuse 1,500 crores in Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited. The main aim is it will help to generate 10,200 jobs in a year and reduce carbon emission, which is equivalent to 7.49 million tons a year. Okay, so we will have a glimpse about IREDA. IREDA is nothing but a non-banking financial institution which involves in promoting, developing and extending financial assistance for setting up if you want to develop a new project related to renewable source of energy. They are the one who are there to promote, develop and extend the financial assistance which was required to create the project. Okay, and the statistics from this is IREDA was established in 1987 and the headquarters is in New Delhi and the chairperson is Pradeep Kumar Das. Next one is Meghalaya government raises upper age limit for jobs, and the motto behind this thing is they want to extend the upper age limit for government jobs from 27 years to 32 years for non-tribals. For tribal people, the upper limit got extended to 37 years. Okay, and this relaxation will not be applicable for jobs in certain departments. The departments are police, civil defense and home guards. Okay, and the statistics from the single liner is capital is Shillong and the governor is Satyapal Malik and the CM is Conrad Sangma. Okay, and Paytm Vijay Shekhar Sharma has been appointed as a ambassador Universal Acceptance Steering Group, and the Universal Acceptance Steering Group has appointed Vijay Shekhar Sharma, who is a founder of Paytm, as its UA ambassador. Okay, and the group is supported, that Universal Acceptance Steering Group is there, no? It was supported by the Global Internet Body, which is nothing but ICANN. Okay, so we will have a short note about ICANN, which is nothing but Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, and the headquarters is located in Los Angeles, California. It was established in 1988. We will see statistics about Paytm as well as UASG, and the Paytm CEO is Vijay Shekhar and the headquarters is in Noida, which is nothing but Uttar Pradesh. And for UASG, the president is Dr. Ajay Datta and was established in 2015. So this is all about the current affairs for the date of 20th and 21st of January 2022. If you have any suggestions or feedbacks, do let us know in comment section. I'll post you the current affairs for the date of 22nd of January 2022 shortly. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.